Greetings and salutations. All right, last rule for testing a categorical syllogism for validity. It reads, if you have a particular conclusion, a particular claim, right, is an I or an O claim. I claims take the form some blank are blank, some S or P. O claims take the form some S are not P, right? Why are they particular? Because unlike A and E claims, which deal with all and none, in other words, they are what we call universal claims, I and O claims deal with some. Now, the opposite of all is not none. The opposite of all is some, hence particular. All right, so if we have a particular conclusion, an I or an O claim, we have to have at least one particular premise. When we come over here and we look at the syllogism we've been working on, all persons are mortals, all things identical with Socrates are persons, and all things identical with Socrates are mortals, we find that our mood, again, which refers to the claim types that make up our syllogism, is triple A. We don't have any I or O claims in this syllogism whatsoever. So Rule 5 does not apply here. We pass Rule 5, as we see, and so because we have passed all of our rules, all 5, we are valid. Again, if a rule doesn't apply, you pass it. So again, we are valid. The only thing that will allow you to get better at testing categorical syllogisms for validity is to get familiar with all 5 rules. And the great thing about practicing categorical syllogisms is that as long as your syllogism is well formed, that is to say, all the claims, both the premises and the conclusion, right, are in standard form. They take these forms, right? You can just make them up and practice that way, right? I encourage you to do so. The last quiz has been published. You got roughly a month to knock that out. As always, email me if you have any questions.